Welcome to Ticklipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your default skin emoji tone on your Slack account. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and open up your Slack software or just go to any of your browser and then go to Google and search for Slack. Then from here, just go to slack.com. And after going to slack.com, just sign in with your email or Google account or Apple account. After that, you'll be brought to this page. Just from my workspaces, open any of the workspace. Just click on launch. Then just give it a few seconds. It will launch the workspace for you. You might have to click on use Slack in your browser. And after that, the workspace will load. Then from here on the left hand side, you'll see your profile icon. Just click on that. Then just go to preferences. Now inside preferences on the left hand menu, you gotta select messages and media. Then just scroll down a bit and you're gonna find emoji. Under emoji, you're gonna find default skin tone. Now from here, you can change the skin tone of your emoji to whatever you like. And basically that is it. And that is how to change the skin tone of emoji in Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.